31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat. First Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. He always requested the people of India to live together by uniting Ek Bharat in order to create a foremost India, Shresth Bharat. This ideology still reflects in the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, which seeks to make India self-reliant. He worked extensively against alcohol consumption, untouchability, caste discrimination and for women emancipation in Gujarat and outside. Remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants, as he established the modern All India Services system. As India's first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister, Sardar Patel played a key role in the integration of about 565 princely states into the Indian Union. He known as the Iron Man of India. The Statue of Unity is built in honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It was inaugurated on 31st October 2018 to mark the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. In January 2020, it was added to the 8 Wonders of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO).